Now let's see transistor configuration. A transistor has three terminals. As we know, it is emitter, base and collector. But we require four terminals when a transistor is to be connected in a circuit. दो टर्मिनल यूज होंगे इनपुट के लिए और दो टर्मिनल यूज होंगे आउटपुट के लिए. This is achieved by making one terminal of the transistor common to both input and output. Accordingly, there are three types of configuration. So accordingly, there are three configurations of BJT. When the base is common to input and output, it is common base configuration. When the emitter of the transistor is common to input and output of a circuit, it is common emitter. और अगर हम collector को input और output में common लेते हैं, it is common collector configuration. Now we will see the circuit and its characteristic one by one. This is a common base configuration. Here base is connected here. Input और output के लिए common है base, इसीलिए ये common base configuration है. Input हम देते हैं between emitter and base और output हम लेते हैं between collector and base. So the input current is IE and the output current is IC, which is shown here, and IE is shown here. This is IB, the controlling current. For PNP transistor, again the common base configuration is like this. Input हम देते हैं emitter और base के बीच में. Here is the emitter and here is the base. Output is taken from collector and base. So base is common to input and output. The input current, the direction has changed here. I is the input current and output current is IC and IB is the controlling current. Now we will try to plot the input characteristic of common base configuration. The graph will be between the input current and the input voltage. So input current, as we have seen, is the IE. So here we plot IE. Or input voltage is the voltage across emitter and base. So it is VEB, emitter, base. This is VEB. So we plot a graph between IE and VEB. This will be the input characteristic of common base configuration. As we know that in common base configuration, the input characteristic हम ले रहे हैं IE और VE के बीच में, और ये वाला junction जो emitter base junction है, this junction is forward bias. So we know that this VI characteristic of this junction will be a forward bias diode. So the output characteristic will resemble the VI characteristic of a diode in forward bias. Keeping the output voltage constant, VCB is the output voltage. जब for a particular VCB अगर हम VEB और I को प्लॉट करें तो मुझे ये वाला कर्व मिलेगा, और जैसे जैसे हम VCB को कम करते जाएंगे मेरा कर्व इस तरह से चेंज होता जाएगा. The knee voltage is increasing here. Now we will plot the output characteristic of common base configuration. The graph will be between the output current and output voltage. The output current, as we have seen here, it is IC, and output voltage is the voltage across collector and base. That means it is VCB. So we will try to plot the graph while keeping the input current constant. IE is constant और हम different I के लिए different curves देखेंगे. Okay, this graph shows the output characteristic of the common base configuration. जब I 0 है उसके नीचे का जो एरिया है, this area, it is the cutoff region. इस एरिया को कहते हैं सैचुरेशन रीजन। सैचुरेशन रीजन में दोनों जंक्शन फॉरवर्ड बायस होते हैं। कट ऑफ रीजन में दोनों जंक्शन रिवर्स बायस हो जाते हैं। और जो बीच वाला पोर्शन है, ये वाला जो पोर्शन दिख रहा है हमें, इट इज द एक्टिव रीजन ऑफ अ ट्रांजिस्टर। हियर द ट्रांजिस्टर बिहेव एज अ एम्पलीफायर। यहाँ पे एम्पलीफिकेशन पॉसिबल है। Okay, now let's see the common emitter configuration. NPN ट्रांजिस्टर को अगर कॉमन एमिटर कॉन्फ़िगरेशन में लगाना है तो इट विल लुक लाइक दिस। इनपुट इज गिवन बिटवीन बेस एंड एमिटर and output is taken from collector and emitter. So emitter, this point is common to input as well as the output. So it is a common emitter configuration. This is the NPN transistor. NPN transistor in common emitter configuration. Input में emitter और base के बीच में दिया जाएगा और output collector और बेस के बीच में, सॉरी, कलेक्टर और एमिटर के बीच में लिया जाएगा। एमिटर इज कॉमन टू इनपुट एंड आउटपुट, सो इट इज अ कॉमन एमिटर configuration. Now we will see the input characteristic of common emitter configuration. The voltage here will be VBE and IB is the current here. So the graph will be between IB and input current and input voltage. The emitter junction is forward bias, so again this characteristic will behave as a forward bias diode. Each curve we get for keeping VCE, the output voltage, constant. So for VCE को अगर हम 1 volt करते हैं तो the curve which we get is this, the first one. ना जब VCE को थोड़ा सा बढ़ा देते हैं we get this curve, और जैसे और बढ़ा दिया VCE तो we get this curve. Now let's plot the output characteristic of common emitter configuration. Here the graph will be between VCE and IC, keeping B constant. We will get different curves. The curve will be same as shown here. For different IB we will get different curves here. For IB is equal to 0 we get this curve, and the region below this is cutoff region of the BJT region. Here this is the saturation region, and the region between this two regions, cutoff and saturation, is the active region where the diode will behave as an amplifier. Now let's see how a common collector configuration the connections are made. Here the first circuit is of PNP transistor. This is a PNP transistor and the arrow is this way. Collector is here. So the input and output में collector common है, इसीलिए it is a common collector configuration. This is the NPN transistor. Again collector is common to input and output. बेस और कलेक्टर के बीच में इनपुट दिया जाता है और आउटपुट लेंगे हम एमीटर और कलेक्टर के बीच में. हियर आल्सो दिस इज द एमीटर एंड दिस इज द कलेक्टर. सो एमीटर और कलेक्टर के बीच में आउटपुट लिया जाता है और बेस और कलेक्टर के बीच में इनपुट दिया जाता है. दिस इज द कॉमन कलेक्टर कॉन्फ़िगरेशन.